In this video, I'll show you how to check a Discord checkpoint. First, open the Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Discord. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to complete. After the update finishes, tap on Open to launch the Discord app. When Discord opens for the first time, you may see a reached checkpoint screen. At the bottom of the screen, there will be a Get Started button. Tap on Get Started. Now you will see a Discord checkpoint screen. Next, close the Discord app completely and then reopen it again. After reopening the app, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Inside your profile, look for the checkpoint option and tap on it. If it shows checkpoint unavailable, don't worry. This usually happens if your account is new. Because you are a new user, the checkpoint option may not appear for you yet. However, if you've been using Discord for a long time and your account has activity, the checkpoint option will usually appear here. That's all you need to know about updating Discord and checking the checkpoint status as a new user. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.